Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. If we lower the thermostat in winter by 6 degrees Fahrenheit, we can save 570,001 barrels of oil daily, assuming the heating season is 181 days and the oil price is $56 per barrel. How much do we save per year? Step 1, skip the free body diagram. There is no free body diagram for this question. Step 2, list all the given values, find the unknown. We're trying to find the cost savings, and here are the values once again in table form. Step 3, find the savings formula. So savings is barrel per day multiplied by days per year multiplied by dollars per barrel. Step 4, find the savings. So you just plug and play. So 570,001 barrels, 181 days per year, and then $56 per barrel. So total savings per year is 5.7 billion, and then this is the exact number, but for the answer that we want, so 5.7 billion per year is sufficient to answer this question. However, you should have the full answer and have the summarized or shortened answer as well. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.